Hey guys, welcome to the 2015 Level 1 MCAT Day 1 algebra walkthrough. We'll just get straight into it. Expand x plus 2, 4x minus 5. So basically just multiply this for x and 4x squared, this and this. We multiply everything by each other in the thing. So we get 4x squared. You get negative 5, negative 5 plus 8, so plus 3x. Positive 2 and negative 5 make negative 10. And that's your achieved grade here. Get the coordinates of the points where the graph y equals to x, bracket x plus 3 cuts the x-axis. So when it says cuts the x-axis, okay, that means when there's a parabola here. That means when the parabola cuts this x-axis here and here. And this only happens when y equals 0. So we substitute y equals 0. 0 equals to x plus 3. And therefore x isn't equal to 0. So 0 times anything is 0. Or x equals to negative 3. And again, this is only just an achieved question. So we just keep moving. Ronnie is hired a ride for a bike. It costs $8 for 2 hours and $3 for every additional hour. Her ride costs $23. How long did Ronnie hire the bike for? Okay, so it costs $8 for 2 hours, right? Gotta think about it this way, okay? So 23 minus 8. You gotta divide that by $3 for every additional hour. But you also have to plus 2 due to the 2 hours you didn't account for when you minus the 8 hours. So therefore that equals to X amount of hours. So 23 minus 8 is 15. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 hours. Getting up to here, that's a merit grade. Well, setting up the equation is an achieved grade. So if you set up the equation here, that's an achieved. So simplify 3ab squared minus, I guess you can just read that for yourself. My voice hurts too much to read this out. Oh, God. Okay, so basically, we just take the common factors out. So we'll take AB out. AB, so 3b minus 4a squared plus a is gone actually, so it becomes just plus b. Since you're taking ab away from each one of these, taking the ab out, divided by 4ab squared. So you're going to divide by ab, so on the top this ab is going to go away, and this a is gone, and this b is going to get knocked down to b to the power of 1. So that basically just becomes 3b minus 4a squared plus b divided by 4b. This should get you the merit grade here. And just setting up the equation right here, getting the numerator correct should get you an achieved. Okay. Sam and Jake live 8 kilometers from each other. Sam skateboards 10 kilometers and at the same time Jake rides his bike 15 kilometers. If they both leave home at the same time and travel towards each other, how far from Jake's home will they meet? Okay, so basically, the total distance they travel is 8 kilometers. So Sam distance plus Jake distance equals to 8 kilometers, right? We're gonna find for example, let's just say S equals to 8 minus J. So the amount of distance Sam travels is equal to 8 kilometers minus the distance Jake travels, okay? And because Sam skateboards 10 kilometers in the same time that Jake rides his bike 15 kilometers, we can basically say that the 3S is equal to 2J. And this is because this is the ratio of their time. This is the ratio if Sam rides. So for example, this is how it works. So if Sam rides his skateboard for 10 kilometers for 3 unit times, he'll get to 30 kilometers per hour, 30 kilometers in total. But if Jake rides his bike, he'll ride his bike 2 2 unit times, and he'll get 30 kilometers as well. So Jake only needs to use 2 unit times to make up for Sam's 3 unit times, okay? Just think of it that way, okay? So therefore, we know that S equals to 8 minus J, so we substitute S equals to 8 minus J, so 3, 8 minus J equals 2J, 24 minus 3J, not 3Y, 3J. 3J equals to 2J. You move the 3J to our side, so 24 equals to 5J. Therefore, J equals to 4.8. And because Jake starts 4.8 kilometers from his house, that means they meet 4.8 away. Yeah, and that's your final answer. With getting up to here, so it should get you an excellence grade. So one variable substituted, so substituting this into here, that should get you a merit grade. And one equation formed, so S plus J equals to 8, that'll get you an achieved. That's one equation formed, okay? So moving along to the last question of question 1. Danny is trying to find an A value for C, so that x squared plus 6x plus C has only one solution. So basically, the easy way to do this is just x plus y whole squared equals to x squared plus 6x plus C, because there's only one solution for x, right? So it has to be something squared in order for it to only have one solution, okay? So it has to be the same thing multiplied twice. Okay, so you know that 2y, so this is basically x plus y, x plus y, and that equals to x squared plus 6x plus c. Okay, so therefore you can see that the y is here. So y times x is xy, and then y times x is xy. So basically, basically 2y is equal to 6. And this is because the x is already here, so 2y equals to 6, y equals to 3. Therefore, this is x plus 3 whole squared. So therefore c equals to 9, because 3 squared is 9. These two numbers multiplied together give you c. So therefore 3 times 3 is 9, so c equals to 9, okay? So now we're going to solve this equation. So because x plus 3 whole squared, there's only one solution for x and one solution for x, so that equals 0. So one solution for x is negative 3. And that's the only solution. And getting up to here should get you an excellence grade. Value of the constant found. So if you found that c equals to 9, you'll get a merit grade. And then you're understanding this. This is all you need to understand for an achieved question, so as for an achieved mark. So understanding that it's a whole squared. Okay, so basically that's understanding that it's a perfect square is get you an achieved. Okay, so thank you for listening in to to question 1 of the MCAT 2015. I'll be sure to get part 2. Well, question 2 and question 3 out soon. It won't be today because it's too late, but I'll try to get it out as soon as possible, okay? Sorry for the delay. Thanks for watching. Bye.